Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to check your Snapchat storage step by step so that you can see how much space the application is using and clear unnecessary data to free up the storage on your phone. So first of all, you need to launch your Snapchat application on your phone. Then you just have to tap on your Bitmoji or your profile icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. Now once you are here on this page, simply tap on this gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and this is going to redirect you here in your Snapchat settings. Over here you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the option of clear cache, which will be in the account actions. So this is where Snapchat stores all of your storage and the data information. So if you tap on the option of clear cache, all of your extra cache will be deleted. You can also go to your settings and then just take a look at the apps, see the Snapchat and take a look at the storage. So this way you will be able to check and manage your Snapchat storage step by step. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.